going on, guys? Today we're going to be working with my mom's Mazda 3 and we're going to be doing a couple of mods, but for this specific video we are going to be doing LED headlights for this bad boy. We got these Pro Lights PLX LED headlights. Let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. So this is the GX Mazda 3. This isn't a Mazda speed, okay? So it's just an ongoing joke with you guys. I just think a lot of you guys just don't understand that a lot of speed things can be done on Mazda 3s. So this is strictly Mazda 3 second gen mod. I know the headlight, I don't think these have those retainer clips that the first gens had, so I hope definitely that I don't have to deal with that. A really cool thing that they did with this box is you get films. So you have a yellow, a couple of clear films it looks like maybe, and blue films as well in there. So you can have like a blue tint and you can also have like a really yellow tint. So it really depends what you want. But when we get into here, you get a nice product manual and you also get the LEDs themselves. So the plug that plugs in and then the LED that goes in, and those are looking super fancy. So we're going to be installing these on that 3 and making them look minty. Okay, so Mazda made this design really nice and a lot easier on the second gens. A lot more room in this area to really reach in and kind of work with it. The other side's a little more tight, but anyways, never mind, that's the wrong one. We're doing this one right here. So anyways, rotate this one counterclockwise. Go ahead and pull that out and unclip this one. And then, like I was saying, the nice thing about this one, these headlights, is that they already have the spacer in here, so you don't have to worry about trying to reuse the old one. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna plug these in, and then I'm gonna make sure these work. Actually, they only plug in one way, so I'm gonna go ahead, clip that in there, and your LED is now functionable. Now we're gonna go ahead and line up. So there is, the biggest side goes on the top right, I believe, and we're gonna rotate that into place, and she fits. And the nice thing about this is there's a lot of wire room as well, so it's not like you have to worry about, you know, being too tight or anything, but that fits in there really nicely. That dust boot ring that goes around there, this whole design is a lot better than the first gen Mazda 3s. I do like this a lot more. Nice and secure, won't let any moisture or anything in there, but it's super nice and tight. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side and see how this looks, but first we're gonna compare. Alright, so these look hella sick. So just looking into the garage, that's the left side, that's the right side, obviously. It's a little blocked off. As I compared the left, I had the left one LED and then the right one halogen. I couldn't see the halogen. It was quite funny. So these definitely do make a huge difference. And like me personally driving with halogens, I can't do it. Like, it's kind of funny. Like, the visibility of halogens just does not work with me. So definitely happy that we got this sorted out and we're all a LED happy family now. Well, actually, I think I have HIDs in mine. Alright guys, and that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content with the Mazdas. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try and find the link for those headlights that I use. They're quite expensive, but I'll try and find the link for them and put them in the description so you guys can buy them for yourselves if you want. Like I said, you get like 2 different films with them, so it's quite cool if you want to change them up once in a while and have like a different kind of colored headlight. But they definitely look fantastic and makes the car look a lot better at nighttime. I'll see you guys in the next one.